Hey everyone, it's time to name the rooster. So, I have everybody's submissions in here with your name on it and the rooster's name. So, let's see what we got. Here we go. My rooster's name is Dr. Jeckyl. Jackie, I'll see you soon. Okay, we're going to play Name the Rooster. We had 15 submissions. Megan put in Spartacus. Debbie put in Boy Named Sue. Megan also put in Cluck Norris. Ann put in Foghorn J. Leghorn. Kevin put in Caitlyn Jenner. Bernie put in Jodo. Jonette put in Trump. Tim, my future boyfriend, maybe if he gets his butt up here. Cosmo. Debbie, again, Boy George. I have a connection with that one. Kevin submitted another one, Chow from Hangover. Michelle put in Victor, Victoria. Bernie put in another one, Cockerel Jane. And Jeanette submitted another one, and that's Red. So Dallas, do me the honors and pick one. Debbie, Boy Named Sue. I guess you get another dozen eggs tomorrow. Bye. There was an error. 2 names got left out. Katie submitted Cockle, something like that. And Dorothy submitted Foghorn also. However, since they didn't get drawn, Katie, I'm naming a chicken after you, one of the 7 dwarves that I have. So I'll have a chicken named Katie. And another one named Dorothy, and I know exactly which one that one's going to be. Alright, I'll post those pictures of those chickens named Katie and Dorothy later. Night. Hello. So back when I was naming Sue, the rooster, there were 2 submissions that were left out, and that was Katie's and Dorothy's. So I had committed to naming 2 chickens after them, and here they are. Where are they? This one in the back corner there, the gray and brown one, that is Katie, and she does not like Squawk. So this is Katie. Her colors blend in so pretty. And then, where is Dorothy? There's Dorothy! Of course, it's too freaking dark to see anything, and there she goes out the door. Ha ha ha. There's Dorothy. Brief appointment there.